Hello, in this video I'll show you how to load your documents into ICS to build datasets. Let's start the application, and once it is running we connect to the page, we do the login, and the first page that we are presented with is the dataset page. You see now we have no dataset available, so we can use the upload documents function to load new documents and build datasets. The first the format of the files is CSV, and now I'll show you an example. You can download from this URL. I'll put into the description of the video. And so there is the IMDb dataset. So this is a dataset of movie reviews, and the idea is that we want to label these reviews as either positive or negative reviews about movies. So we want to build a sentiment classifier. Let's have a look at the content of the file. This is a comma-separated value file, and the relevant fields are two. The first one is a unique identifier that it is used to link the document loaded into ICS with its external source. So this can be, for example, also a Twitter ID or any ID of any document on any platform. And the second field is the actual content, the piece of text that we want to read and then label. So we can take this file and we can load it into our system. So let's go back to the running application. We do upload documents. Here we can select which dataset we want to upload our documents, so we can add documents to existing datasets. In this case the dataset does not exist, so we do write its name here. We can write any name here, and then we select the file, which is this one, and we go for the upload. You see, dataset has been created, the size is 0. What's happening right now is that documents are loaded, and you see the 25,000 documents have been loaded in a few seconds into the system. And here, for every dataset that one may have, you will find here a row that reports the name, the number of documents, the description, the date it has been created, and the last date and time the document has been uploaded. Here we have some options, some operation we can do on dataset. The first two are related to labeling the dataset, and this will be the subject of another video. And then we can, for example, rename, change the description, download the data, and delete. So let's do a rename. Here we can type new name for this dataset, for example IMDb, and then we can extend the name. No blank space are allowed, so we use underscore. IMDb English, for example, given that this is an English dataset and we may be interested in also collecting movie reviews in other languages. And also we can change the description, so from no description to movie reviews in English. And so we have a longer description of the content of the documents in this dataset. Then we can download the dataset. So this is interesting if the dataset is populated on ICS using other means, so not just loading documents in the format of files, but using, for example, Twitter stream, filtered stream API, so a program that downloads the tweets and loads it directly into ICS, and then you want to download the whole set of tweets you have collected, and you can get them in this format. So if we click download, we'll have back the documents that we have loaded into the system, and you see the size of the file is almost the same. If we open it, we see almost the same format for our documents. And what is changing is that you have the unique IDs sorted alphabetically. and also we can delete the dataset, but this is not interesting for us. So this is how you can load a dataset, and the next video show you how to start building a classifier and labeling documents.